Hey guys, today we're going to hear. So we have Ford with Chevrolet Colorado Z71. Let's go to brand new about here. Interior. We have this first interior, and we have with this 3.0. I don't know, maybe. And before it's next up to them. So before will be next. We have code Hyundai Accent. Accent is brand new of 2019. Interior. It is interior, and the logo Accent. Before the last one is for Everest. For Everest is 4x4 with titanium interior and the back and the titanium, and this is back Everest. The back Everest here to the another one.